Hello everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel Login Aid. Today in this video, I am going to show you how to remove Yahoo Search from Chrome. Yahoo Search is web search engine owned by Yahoo. To remove Yahoo Search from Chrome, first open your Chrome application on your mobile phone. Now here, tap on three dots on the top right corner. Now note that the structure of Chrome may differ according to the mobile phone you are using. I am using Android. Then tap on Settings option. Then here you can see the option of search engine under basics. Tap on search engine. Then here you can choose any of the engine that you want to go with. I'm going on with Google, so tap on Google option. After this, now your search engine will be changed from Yahoo to another search engine. Mine is Google. With this, you'll be able to remove Yahoo Search from Chrome. As you can see here, my Yahoo Search has been removed. This is how we can remove Yahoo Search from Chrome. This is it for tutorial everyone. Hope this tutorial was helpful to you all. If you like today's tutorial, make sure you like, share, subscribe to our YouTube channel for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching.